Drywall. What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back to another episode of Spark Your Life, and I'm here in the house and we are just about ready to start drywalling. So I wanted to walk you guys around and show you all that we've done, because everything that we've done so far is going to be all covered up. So last week I went around and I showed you some utility upgrades and we had started the installation. Well, now we finished the installation, so I'm going to walk you guys around because drywalling is going to start on Wednesday. Today is Monday, and we'll see where we're at so far. So as always, I'll start at the front door, and I showed you guys, I believe last week, there's our permit approvals. So I'll start at the front door. Remember, we enclosed this porch, and here's our walk-in, or our mud room, or foyer, or whatever, and then we have our coat room right here. Then we'll walk right into our living room. This is our living room. That will go out to a deck, which will probably be one of the last videos. And we have gone ahead and insulated everything in the living room and the ceiling. Got our electrical done, our plumbing done, our mechanical done, like all of our heat ducts and everything. Then we'll step in here to the bathroom. So we'll have our two bathroom sinks here and here. And then our toilet will be just right there behind the shower and tub combo. It's a 9x9 foot bedroom. And as you walk over here, there's the kitchen. So our kitchen's laid out. That's going to be our kitchen sink window. So the kitchen sink's going to be there. Dishwasher, some upper cabinets, and then we're going to have a peninsula that'll run out here. Our fridge is going to be right here in this corner, pushed against this wall right here. And then this is all going to be counter below there and up there. We're going to put our stove here. That's the gas pipe we put in. We just finished pressure testing it. And there's just going to be a short cabinet here. And then there will be an opening from there to there, and then our back to our island. So once you finish through the kitchen, you'll walk through the hallway and into the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It's got a closet and a bedroom. So we will continue to the master. Here's the master bedroom. We've done a lot of work in here wall wise. If you remember, there was our old bathroom. So we've insulated everything. Everything's got insulation shoved through there. This is the master closet. And then we'll go take a look upstairs. And as always, I forgot a flashlight, but I do have a phone with a light on it. So we'll go up into the attic because I have a little surprise for you guys. So as you can see, it's a little dark in here, and I apologize again for not having a light. Soon the lights will work up here just by a flick of a switch. But this duct connects to our new furnace, and you cannot see it because it's too dark. So let me get a little closer here. So, all right, we've got our furnace all hooked up. If you can't hear it, it's running. So super cool, super excited. Our furnace is all running. It's turned on. All the ducting is complete. We've got our gable vents here and here. Again, I apologize because I know it's pitch black. We also added in a gable vent down there, as you can see, and all the ductwork and insulation duct up through there. So we're gonna go ahead, walk back down. Again, I apologize because there's no light up here, and we will make our way down to the basement, which has had some major changes since you guys have seen it last. So we will walk down into the basement. You guys can see everything. So all this has been insulated. This is all going to be drywall. Super cool. Walking into the basement. Our lights are on for us. And as you come in, there's just kind of like a little living area. You could call it a third bedroom. We've got our closet right there. And this is our bathroom. It doesn't look like much, but it will once we get our bathroom in here, or our drywall in. So it's a little dark over here, but you can see right there, that's where the toilet's gonna be. And then over in this corner, back up a little bit, over in that corner, there's gonna be the sink. So we have our bathroom over there, kind of a living space here, and then a closet. And then we'll walk back here. Not much has changed. Back in there, just Michigan basement. There's the toilet that's gonna go back over there. We did create, focus. We did open up underneath the stairway, as I think I showed you in the last video. So you'll be able to walk back through here in under the stairway and use this kind of as like a secondary storage. I'll show you the chase that we've done. So here's this chase. So it's in between this beam right here. We're gonna box in this beam, and it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the red really well. The blue's kind of back behind, there we go. The blue's kind of back here behind this, but we have our cold, our waste, hot water, and then this is our gas pipe for the stove and the furnace upstairs. So super cool, awesome. This is our gas. All this drywall is going up. I don't know how they got it down here, but I'm glad I didn't have to move it because these sheets are like 20-foot long sheets. They're probably 16s actually. So I'll show you down here. That's the gas for our water heater, and then down there, which you cannot see because it is also dark, that is the gas for the dryer. All of it's going to be plumbed out into the septic field. There's our washer box, and then again, once we get everything drywalled, we'll bring in the new components for the well, and there you'll have it. We did put in these new windows. I don't know if I showed you guys these last time, but we did put in the new windows. We boxed this beam in. All these beams we boxed in. So I don't know if I showed you it or not, but there's not going to be any miscellaneous steel. This is going to be a completely finished basement. One of the next videos I'll show you. I know you probably can't see it now, but there's a dip right here. My socks and sandals. There's a dip right here. It goes down about 2 inches. We kind of assume it went towards the sump. We're actually going to raise it up. It'll still slope to the sump, but that dip that it won't let you focus on. Why won't it let you focus? There you go. But there's a dip from right there to right there that's about 2 inches. So we'll walk through here. This is our walkout. And as you can see, everything's been insulated. Awesome electrical panel. All right. So, I believe that's one more surprise. Oops. That's what we're going to use to mix the cement for the basement, or the concrete for the basement, for those of you who are a bit picky. Once the drywall and paint's in, we're going to actually put a top coat on this, like a 2-inch top coat to make this look brand new of concrete. We did raise this up. If you saw in some of our earlier videos, this is kind of sloped down. So we raised it up, sealed it off, cut out all that insulation, and it'll look brand new. I also want to show you the last surprise. So this wasn't in before, but now we have air conditioning. So this leads up all the way up into the attic up there. This house has never had AC before, just window units, and that's pretty much it. I'll stay right here. So thanks so much for following us along here. I know I had a couple of a month's gap. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me and watching the shows. Let me know if you guys would like to see anything else. I haven't really done too many time lapses over the last month just because I just didn't get to it, to be totally honest with you, but I am recording and doing these few updates. I hope you guys enjoy them, and I hope you can't wait to see this house when it's all done like I can. Like I said, Wednesday will be the next video, or probably the end of next week. I'll do another video showing you all the drywall, and this house is going to look totally different. So thank you so much for watching another episode of Spark Your Life. I'm Ben Sparks, and I'll see you next time.